Number 50. The appropriate minimum daily dietary requirement of the amino acid leucine, C6H13NO2, is 1.1 gram. What is this requirement in moles? Okay, so we're basically going from 1.1 grams of C6H13NO2, and we want to go to moles of C6H13NO2. Can we do this in one shot? The answer is, that's a question mark by the way. The answer is yes, we can. Yes, we can. What is the conversion factor between grams of something to moles of the same compound? You guys should know this. Star this, box it off, do whatever you got to do. But you guys should always know that 1 mole of anything, which I represent as X, always equals the molar mass in grams of that which is found on the periodic table. All right? So 1 mole of anything always equals the molar mass, mm, in grams. Okay. So essentially, we just got to go from 1.1 grams of leucine to moles. So let's start it off. We have 1.1 grams of C6H13NO2, and we're just converting, right? This is just a conversion. So when we do conversions, we always times by a ratio. And we don't want grams of leucine, so that goes on the bottom. Grams of C6H13NO2 goes on the bottom, and we want moles of C6H13NO2 goes on the top, right? So, what's the consensus? What number goes here, and what number goes here? Well, if we go by the conversion, 1 mole of anything, so where the word mole is, 1 mole, equals the molar mass in grams. So this number, you got to find out from the periodic table. Now, we've done tons of questions on how to find a molar mass. So if you're uncomfortable with that, go back to number 42, I believe. That starts the molar mass questions. So I'm going to assume that you guys know how to get a molar mass. So for this one, we just got to take the individual atoms. We're looking at carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. So let's find out that molar mass. We have 6 carbons, so 6 times 12.01 plus 13 hydrogens, so times 1.008, plus 1 nitrogen, so just plus a 14. And then we have 2 oxygens, so 2 times 16, so that's 32. Now, if you guys want to simplify your numbers, be my guest. Your answer just has to be very, very close to the one that I have right here, which is 131.174. Grams cancel out with grams, and now you just got to do the math. 1.1 divided by 131.174. You get an answer, but you just got to make sure that you have 2 sig figs. So your answer should be 8.4 times 10 to the negative 3. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Negative 3 moles of C6H13NO2. Box that answer off, highlight it, do whatever you got to do. This is the answer. So this is just a conversion. These two numbers are the same. 1.1 gram is the same as 8.4 times 10 to the negative 3 moles of this compound. It's just 2 different ways of saying it. All right? That's all this question asked for. This one was easy peasy, right? All the other ones were like A through E parts, so I'm very happy that this one was just one question. But thanks for tuning in. Hope this helped. Let me know in the comments if you liked this video. Obviously like it. And if you want to be the first to know when we drop our next set of questions, hit that subscribe button. It also helps us out a lot as well. And we really appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys all in the next question. Bye-bye.